Welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government objective past question number 16. And the question number 16 says the rights of a citizen can be withdrawn by the state if the person dash. The rights of a citizen can be withdrawn by the state if the person dash a is convicted of serious crime, b leaves the country permanently, c is pronounced dead, d opposes the government violently. Option opposes government or opposing government is a doctrine of democracy. Democracy allows that. Then the person pronounced dead is a normal thing for somebody to die, but that does not mean that the citizenship of that person has been withdrawn. Then if the person leaves the country permanently, does not mean that the person cannot come back. But if a citizen is convicted of serious crime, like for instance, if a citizen is supporting supporting the opponent opponent of his country during war, then the government of that country has the right to withdraw the citizenship of that fellow. So, and that is crime, a serious crime. So the rights of a citizen can be withdrawn by the state if the person is convicted of a serious crime. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.